Welcome to our channel. This is Advantage Pro. In this video, we are going to see about ncert solutions for Class 7 Science Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. Before going to the video, take a notes. In this aquatic situation also, we are working for you to study. So, please make a use of it. And from book back exercise, first question is, you must be familiar with the following nursery rhymes. First one, Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Second one, Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Answer the following. Which parts of a black sheep have wool? A hairy skin called fleece has wool in black sheep. Second one, what is meant by white fleece of the lamb? White fleece of the lamb means white colored hairy skin. And our second book back question is, the silkworm is a caterpillar or larva. Choose the correct option. First one A, second one B, third one both A and B, fourth one neither A nor neither A or nor B. Answer is both A and B. The silk is a caterpillar and a larva. And the book bag exercise third question is, which of the following does not yield the wool? Which of the animal does not have a wool? Is a woolly dog. It is not a natural wool. It is a skin of the dog. And the book bag exercise fourth question is, what is meant by following terms? Rearing. The process of keeping, feeding, breeding, and medical care of used animals is called breeding of animals. These animals produce one or more useful products for human beings. Second one, shearing. The process of moving the fleece of a sheep along with the thin layer of the skin is called shearing. Third one, sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. And the book back exercise fifth question is, given below is a sequence of the steps processing of a wool. Which are the missing steps? Add them. Shearing, dash, sorting, dash, and dash. Answer is shearing, scoring, sorting, picking out of bars, coloring, and the last one is rolling. And the book back exercise sixth question is, make sketches of two stages in life history of the silk moth, which is or directly related to silk product. Silkworm is a cocoon with pups. Pupa. You can refer the sketch and note down it as a diagram and see whatever the animal, skin, silkworms, butterflies, leaves, and etc. And our seventh question is, out of the following, which are the two terms related to silk production? Sericulture, floriculture, moriculture, apiculture, and seviculture. Hints. First one, silk production involves cultivation of mulberry leaves and rearing silkworms. Second one, scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. Answer is first one, silkiculture, and second one, moriculture. And the book bag exercise 8th question is, match the following terms of column 1 with those given in column 2. Column 2. Column 1, scoring is cleaning sheared skin, and mulberry leaves are food or silkworm, and yak is wool yielding animal, and cocoon is yield silk fibers, and reeling is nothing. And book back exercise 9th question is, given below the crossword puzzle based on this lesson. Use hint to fill the blanks, spaces, letters that completes the word. Though washing, you can refer the diagram and note down the points which is referred to a book and answer. And our session is over.